In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder on Windows 11 desktop. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on my Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to want to do is right click anywhere on a blank space of your desktop, and what it's going to do is bring up a menu like this. From here, come and hover over the new option to bring up the submenu, and at the top you're going to see the option for folder. So what you can do is go ahead, give that a click, and what that's going to do is create this new folder on your desktop. What you can then do is name your folder. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this one files and then press enter, and as you can see our folder is now created. So what we can now do is double click to open up this folder and to add files and images and whatever you want to this folder. All you need to do is simply drag and drop your files or folders into the folder. So that is how to create a new folder on Windows 11 desktop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.